Amalo Peru.
Okay, guys. I don't understand anything. I'm from Africa. I don't know Nepali. I only know Sanche Ununcha. That is it. And I also learn one word. They say Nepal Sundar Santa Desho. This is the only word I learned. So this place was suggested to me by one of my Nepali friends here in Bhaktapur. What about you? Your name?
Yeah, my name is Sanjay. Yeah,
Sanjay.
Sanjay. I'm here.
So I met
Nepal.
Sanjay from Nepal, guys.
Yeah.
He's going to take me to that Chatpati guy, one famous TikToker. That famous TikToker who make pani puri, guys. Actually, I have been searching for the place, but I got lost, so because he will take me. But for now, let's have some chai.
One milk tea or black tea? Milk tea. It's okay.
Any tea, I am okay with it. I take any tea. Sanjay.
Sanjay.
Yeah. So we'll take tea and we'll go to Chatpati. Chatpati. Why he became famous?
He's very famous.
Because he sing or the Chatpati is nice?
Yeah, it's already also nice.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chwasssaaa.
I can't wait to try it. In Nepal, chai also they call chai?
Yeah, chia.
Chia.
Chai. Normally
Chia.
Indian people they call chai. We call chia.
Chia. So thank you, okay? Yeah, he helped me to find that guy. Chatpati. Hello, hi.
Hello, hi.
Fine.
Hi.
I was searching for you. They told me there is one guy famous in Bhaktapur
Thank you.
for Chatpati. My friend said you have to come here and try your Chatpati. So finally, I was lost, guys. I can't find this place, so I have to ask the local people to help me come this place. So I can't wait to try Chatpati. What is Chatpati actually?
Chatpati.
Chatpati is? This is the Chatpati guy, guys.
Chatpati.
Ah.
Amalo Peru.
So, what made you famous? Is it the food or you're funny? What's famous about you?
Famous Amalo Peru. Chwasssaaa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, actually I'm from Africa, guys. I do have Nepalese friend here, and they just told me come here and try it. So we'll see what he have. I don't know what was the name of this?
Daipuri.
Daipuri. Daipuri.
Very nice.
Curd puri.
Why they call Daipuri? What is dai there?
Curd.
Curd. Okay, because
Buffalo.
I came from India. In India they call it pani puri. So
No, Daipuri.
in Nepal they call Daipuri. So they keep some curd. Yeah, curd.
Dhania.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, Daipuri, Nepali Daipuri for the first time.
Thank you.
Let's
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Mm.
I don't like. Aduh, man.
You feed him now. Feed him. He will take. Try, bro. You will regret it.
Never it.
You will regret it. Don't regret it. It's very nice.
Thank you.
Guys, honestly, I feel like I'm not eating daipuri or what? Daipuri.
Daipuri.
I feel like I'm eating butter chicken. Butter chicken, man, this is so tasty. Oh my gosh. Let me have it again. There's a lot of things here. What they kept like Basically, what they keep inside? Which
Dhania, tomato,
tomato and curd,
noodles,
chili, huh? And what is this one? This one.
I don't know. Yeah.
Do they keep any vegetable like chana? Do they keep chana? They keep chana there? Okay. Chana. Wow, guys. This is more than delicious. More than delicious. This is 10 out of 10. What do you think? It's nice, right? It's really nice. I didn't taste that one.
Hello.
Actually, I came to eat chatpati. I came to eat chatpati, but they say this one is chatpati. But I feel like not to eat chatpati now. I just want that one.
Manipuri. This
Chatpati. Guys, the pani puri is so delicious. And this is my first time ever to taste this type of this pani puri. This is so unique and so special. Like they add a lot. Let me just show you. Wait. Guys, this is so delicious. This is so delicious. I feel like to skip the chatpati. I feel like not to eat chatpati. This and chatpati and that one, which is the best? Honest say.
Thank you.
Which is good? Does he understand me? All good? Give chatpati, bro. I am waiting for chatpati.
very spicy.
Spicy, less spicy.
Less spicy, no chili.
Spicy.
No nail.
No spicy.
No spicy.
Less spicy.
No spicy.
Okay. Less spicy.
Don't worry.
पानीपुरी कति राख्नु हजुर
So teach me some Nepali words. Teach me some Nepali.
हजुर 305
Chatpate, chuwassa chatpate. This special name chuwassa chatpate.
Chwasssaaa Chapati.
Chuwassa.
Chwasssaaa mean nice. Awesome.
Means,
Awesome. This is so nice, guys. Now, how much is the plate from that one?
भन्दैन chuwassa भन्नु छिटो.
Huh? Brother,
हजुर
how much is plate?
प्लेट दाइपुरी
Dai puri.
150
150 dai puri. Did you give me full plate? How many?
half plate
This half plate?
yeah
Okay, good. Now, brother, give me chatpati. I'm waiting for
full
chat.
plate 8 piece
Okay. I'm waiting for chatpati. I need to try chatpati. Your chatpati will go famous in Africa. Okay.
okay
I came from Africa
Worldwide famous guys.
just from Africa to try chatpati.
Africa
Yeah.
Africa लाग्यो
You sing Africa chatpati song, new song, viral song. Okay? Me and you singing TikTok viral going.
thank you
Okay?
okay
Yeah. One reel making.
दाइपुरी
Let me show you how they make their dai pani, guys, or dai puri. Dai puri. This is so unique, guys.
Hello. Can I book it?
Guys, I ate this, and this is the best pani puri ever I ate in my life. Like, this is highly recommended for everyone. This is 10 out of 10, solid, guys. This is so delicious and so unique. The way they prepare it.
मिठो छ भन्नु पर्यो मिठो. मिठो नेपाली वर्ड मिठो.
Bicho, not bicho. Dai Dai
मिठो दहीपुरी मिठो
Pani Daipuri
मिठो
Daipuri Ramro Recha Ramro Recha
राम्रो मिठो राम्रो मिठो
Ramro
मिठो
Ramro Mito. Yes. Chatpati. Waiting. Chatpati is taking so much time, guys. I don't know why. Because it's very unique. They have to prepare it with all the love from mind, soul, and heart. That's why it takes so much of time. And we'll go viral.
Okay.
First look on the camera here.
Okay.
Here, look.
I'm a parrot.
Okay, guys. I don't understand anything. I'm from Africa. I don't know Nepali. I only know Sanche Ununcha. That is it. And I also learn one word. They say Nepal Sundar Santa Desho. This is the only word I learned. So this place was suggested to me by one of my Nepali friends here in Bhaktapur, and I just can't wait to try and give you the honest review of Chatpati.
Thank you.
Africa Chatpati to Africa. Let's go. Once hold it, brother.
Hello, green chili खानुहुन्छ?
Kana Abakana cow.
Abakani
Kani cow. Abakani cow now. Let's eat, right? Okay.
Let's eat English word Nepali word Abakani
Abakani cow.
Abakani chatpati
Abakani Chatpati for the first time ever. Okay, let me show you what it consists, guys. Some dry noodles, potato, peanut, coconut? Wow, coconut, some oil, onion, tomato, oh my gosh, garlic, and a lot of chatpati. Let's go, 1, 2, 3, drum roll.
Good. अहिले भन्छु पर्खा पर्खा खाँदैछु
बोल्नु कुल्फी ओके कति जाने नो 30
Guys, what are you waiting for? If I cannot speak, you can understand the review. If someone is eating and can't speak, continuously eating, what does it mean? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, भाइ बोल्नु हो मुस्ला लिएर जानु भाइ बोल्नु भाइ केला
Guys, this is so delicious, guys. I don't know from 1 to 10 how to rate it, but oh my God, Chatpati. This is so tasty, guys. Like I don't know how to rate it, but I don't understand why, how tasty it became even. I just have to finish this, then I can speak to you. This is magic. Magic, guys. Have it. Cow. Kana cow. This out of 10, guys. This is 10 out of 10 also. Solid review, guys. This is all amazing. This place is just magic for the snack, guys. This is magic. This is so nice. I have to finish this. This is so delicious. I just love it, guys. I really love it. Like it. Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Enjoy. And there is one white veg here, guys. I think I forgot the name of that veg, but it also contains chana. Chana is there, and there is this yellow chana one. But a lot of vegetable here. Just know the combination of all this just made it so delicious, so tasty, guys. And they also keep the dry noodles. Amazing, guys. Chatpati, super chatpati. Okay, bye, brother.
Okay, bye.
Do visit this place, guys. They have so delicious snacks.
Thank you.
And this guy also.
Bye.
His pani puri is just awesome, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. This is worth visiting, guys. Everything is just delicious. I love it. And to be honest, that pani puri is so tasty, guys. So tasty, so delicious. But in case if you want to go for more nutritious food, you can go for that chatpati because it consists of so many vegetables and beans. I mean, like the chana, it consists of vegetable also. It's worth, guys. It's worth. And that pani puri is just so tasty. Oh my god, this is so tasty, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. Love you guys. Yeah, this is what enjoyable in Bhaktapur. This is Bhaktapur, guys. Having good time, guys. Make sure to go and check out all my vlog, guys. I'm really so happy exploring Nepal, guys. I had a lot of experience. I tried a lot of food, cultural and traditional stuff, guys. I just feel like home, guys. I also tried the Nepali newari wine also, guys. Wow, I just love you all, guys. Tere Maya, love you all. Nepal, Sundar, Rasanta, Desho. Ooh, this is Bhaktapur.